Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my grandpa's 7.3 IDI. It's got this little flatbed on it. And today I'm going to be working on, first I'm going to see if the motor's still stuck, which is questionable. But we're going to try to change the fender and door, because this truck has had a rough couple years. It was stolen, parked in the woods for a couple years, and then once he got running again, front tire blew and sent him into the river. So that's just about how this goes. But the door and fender were dented up when it was stolen, and this is his baby. It's got this log crane on the back. If we look, mint old flatbed. It's a cool truck. So first off, I'm going to pull it out of gear and look into spinning her over. That feels like neutral, kinda. Mint old truck. Alright, let me see if it spins over. I'll grab a brick bar. This old beast still turns over. With the pry bar, of course, since it's forward. See, we got compression. That's a surprise. So now I'm going to work on pulling the fender and the door off, and we'll see how we get there. From what I remember, this door doesn't open with the fender right there, but we'll try it real quick. Oh, now it's open. Standard Ford gap alignment. Alright guys, now I'm going to start working on this. Fender's off. There's the new part over there. I'm going to try to tackle this door next. Gotta get the wiring out and then pull the bolts. Shouldn't take much. There's a standard Ford. No door fender. Now I'm going to move to putting that door on. I'll do the door first and I'll do the fender. Get ready for that one-arm workout. I'm starting laughing I'm thinking about all those auto tech kids that it takes 4 or 5 to put on a door. I'm about to put this heavy old f250 or f350 door on by myself. So, alright, let me get to doing that and I'll show you guys. Door's on. Ain't lined up quite perfect, but I ain't too worried. Opens, got the blue door panel on. They both have red trays. So, putting his doors on, easiest way is to have the window down, and then you take and set the door in there and make it click on this side, and then you reach in here with your fingers, start a couple bolts. They're both 13 mils. Now I'm going to try to slap this fender on real quick. Alright guys, we got the wheel liner out there, the inner fender out. As you can see, daylight. But we're swapping this out. Gotta switch over a couple parts, like that plate from there over to this one and that padding. Cause this one isn't, it's still got some damage to it. Cause I have a junkyard truck, but it isn't like this one's ripped here. It's all kind of screwed up. So we're gonna swap them out. But got the fender a little better attached. We kind of been having trouble. I can't get this door gap to line up right for some reason or another. We got a battery tray. We're gonna throw back in. Then we're gonna pull the grill out, do this headlight hopefully. And then I gotta go over to that blue and gray truck and steal a radiator out of it. And some other parts. Even though that truck's cleaner, it's got no title. So we're parting out the good looking truck to fix this one. But that's how it goes. They're both 7.3s. They're supposed to be 6.9 trucks, but they've been swapped from what I'm told. But look at all the mud. Look up there. This truck went off like a 35-foot embankment into the marshy part of the river with a full load of cedar on the flatbed. Like the cedar was to the top of this boom, and it broke knocked all the stake pockets off, broke the load, broke all the mounts off the flatbed. The only reason this truck's getting fixed is my grandpa's baby, but we're gonna do that. We might steal the transmission one of these days out of that blue truck because he wants the automatic in this one. Don't know why, but pull the 4-speed out and put the auto in. Shouldn't be that hard of a swap. But I'm going to go ahead and swap the wheel liners and let you guys know how that goes when I'm done. Look at all the mud in this grill. Working on getting another headlight in real quick so we can just adjust everything right. The fender gap still sucks, but it's getting better.